Hey everybody, I'm back at it again with another video. This one is about spam that you can get in your email once again. If you will see the previous video that I did, perhaps one of the early ones that I did, it's pretty much about the same thing: how to identify spam email, and it was a clear way to identify almost all of them. But today, the one that I will be showing is something that does not apply to what I had talked about in the previous video, and you'll see why. And so today I got an email from PayPal, and it is actually from the domain of PayPal. It said service@paypal.com, which was directly from them. So when I opened the email, it looked like it was actually very legit, except for the name. It says Annie Walker there. That's not my name, but it says that I would be billed $500. And so, being that it's coming directly from PayPal, I was like, whoa, what's going on? It reminded me of a previous email that I had received back in September 27. Now, when I had received this email, it was about almost the same thing. It said that I had an invoice would be sent to me concerning a $407 purchase. And then I'm like, whoa, what's going on here? Once again, it is directly from PayPal. And so I logged into my PayPal to make sure it wasn't hacked or something else had took place. And once I got there, I saw that my balance is 0 and my PayPal credit balance is also 0. And just to be sure, I went directly into my PayPal credit, and I saw that there was a balance of 0. And I kept monitoring to make sure that there would be nothing there, and there was nothing there. And so that led me to believe that, okay, this is just spam. But they really got very sophisticated with it, to the point where they were actually using paypal.com. Actually, back in September 27, when I actually received this for the first time, I had to look up how to send this to PayPal to let them know that, hey, there is something on your side that is going on. And what I found online is that it told me to send an email to spoof@paypal.com. They never replied to me ever since September, and so I wondered why. But when I actually went back to PayPal to see what email should I use, I actually found this one here. I guess they updated it to phishing@paypal.com. And so you can send an email, you can forward that email to them, and they will be able to take care of it on their end. But of course, the email that you receive, do not click any links, do not click any download any attachments, don't do anything from it. All you have to do is make sure that your account is clear, that there is no purchases that has been made on your that you didn't do, and just to make sure that you're all safe. And if anything, whether there was something that happened or whether something didn't happen, forward it to PayPal and get some support from them. A good rule of thumb is whoever is sending you any email, whatever company, whatever friend it may be, do not click any links, do not download any attachments unless that other person or company told you about an email that they would send or a text message that they would send. Then you can go ahead and follow through with whatever is in that email. But if you weren't notified beforehand, then please just be very cautious about these type of things. All right, that is all that I have for you. Stay safe.